Top 5 Garden Gadgets. Welcome to the world of gardening innovation, where technology meets nature's beauty. In this fast-paced era, gardening has evolved beyond traditional trowels and watering cans. Enter the realm of garden gadgets, where cutting-edge technology and creativity intertwine to make your gardening experience more efficient, enjoyable, and productive. From smart irrigation systems that conserve water to automated plant care devices, join us as we explore the top 5 garden gadgets that are redefining the way we nurture and cultivate our green spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just beginning to explore the joys of planting, these ingenious tools are here to elevate your gardening game to new heights. Number 5, Mr. Stacky 5-Tier Stackable Planter. Discover the Mr. Stacky 5-Tier Stackable Planter, an ingenious solution for vertical gardening enthusiasts. This versatile planter is designed to accommodate a variety of plants, from strawberries and herbs to flowers and vegetables. Its stackable design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing you to create a vibrant vertical garden anywhere you desire. By maximizing vertical space, this planter offers an efficient way to cultivate multiple plants in a compact footprint. 5 Mr. Stacky Planters Plus Bottom Saucer, W12x12 by 28V, 25 quarts. Made of food-safe polypropylene, just need to water top pot. Patented flow-through design, save water, save space, grow more efficiently. Great for growing strawberries, herbs, flowers, succulents, and much more. Gardening made easy. Ideal gift too, made in USA. Number 4, Home IT Mop and Broom Holder. The Home IT Mop and Broom Holder, a versatile solution for efficient organization. This garage storage system boasts 5 slots and 6 hooks, each with a capacity of 7.5 pounds per slot, providing ample space for up to 11 tools. Whether it's gardening tools or cleaning essentials, this organizer offers a practical solution for tidying up your home, kitchen, closet, garage, or laundry room. Its off-white design complements any space seamlessly. Included with the garage organizers are screws, anchors, a drilling template, and a guide, everything you'll need to mount this mop hanger hook on door indoors or outdoors. Aside from cleaning tools for laundry room storage, our broom hangers for wall can also hold everyday household items. Free up floor space in your home by hanging up your umbrellas, shopping bags, or coats. Number 3, NEIKO 61090A8 PC Garden Tool Set. Discover the NEIKO 61090A8 PC Garden Tool Set, a comprehensive kit designed to elevate your gardening experience. Crafted for both men and women, this heavy-duty collection includes essential hand gardening tools housed in a convenient gardening tool set bag. From planting to cultivating, every tool is thoughtfully designed to tackle various tasks with ease. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this kit equips you with the essentials needed to nurture your home garden. The NEIKO gardening tool set consists of heavy-duty planting tools that are constructed of high-grade polished aluminum that resists rust for the toughest gardening jobs in your home garden. The perfect gardening kit meets all your requirements for indoor succulent garden plant care and outdoor gardening for beginners. As a gardening starter kit or experienced gardeners, this garden set can be used by adults and older children. Number 2, Flexzilla Garden Hose. The Flexzilla Garden Hose, a premium choice for all your watering needs. Measuring 5/8 inches in diameter and 25 feet in length, this hose combines heavy-duty performance with lightweight convenience. Its innovative design, known as Zilla Green, ensures both durability and flexibility, eliminating kinks and making it easy to maneuver. Notably, this hose is drinking water safe, adding a layer of safety and versatility to your gardening routine. Hybrid polymer, won't kink under pressure, coils easily and lays flat with zero memory. Leak-free connections and drinking water safe. A durable O-ring provides long-lasting leak-free connections and feature an inner tube material that is drinking water safe. Lightweight, lighter than traditional garden hoses, making Flexzilla easier to carry and maneuver around the yard. Extremely durable, abrasion-resistant outer cover and crush-resistant anodized aircraft aluminum fittings. Number 1. VELCRO brand garden ties. The VELCRO brand 906481 wrap garden ties are essential plant supports for optimal growth. Their reusable, adjustable design features strong grips that firmly secure plants without causing damage. Crafted from green recycled plastic, these ties are both eco-friendly and versatile. With a length of 75 feet and a width of half an inch, they can be easily cut to the desired length, providing adaptable and reliable support for a variety of garden plants. Secure and durable, strong VELCRO brand 1-wrap garden ties with non-slip grip keeps flowers and plants staked, supported, and securely bundled together. Weather resistant, strong gripping action keeps ties securely in place during stormy and inclement weather. Multi-purpose use, ideal to use as a plant clip, plant wire, and plant tape. These plant ties for gardens can even be used for securing trees, tools and fencing, 75 feet x half an inch. Roll, green. Innovation has breathed new life into the world of gardening, and the top 5 garden gadgets exemplify this harmonious fusion of technology and nature. From smart irrigation systems that conserve water while nourishing plants, to automated plant care devices that cater to our green companions with precision, these gadgets have redefined how we interact with our gardens. The Flexzilla garden hose ensures efficient watering, while the NEIKO 61090A garden tool set equips us for every gardening task. The Home IT mop and broom holder tidies up our gardening space, while the Mr. Stacky 5-tier stackable planter introduces vertical gardening brilliance. Embracing these gadgets means embracing a more efficient, convenient, and rewarding gardening journey. As our gardens flourish and our love for cultivating grows, these gadgets stand as testament to the ever-evolving relationship between technology and the natural world.